What up, boys? This is going to be a trade recap for first of May. Is this really? Yeah, first of May, 2026. Here we go. So I was not about to take a trade today. I was not really about to take a trade today. I was not going to trade today. That's what I told myself when I woke up today morning. And guess what I did? I ended up taking a trade and it was a tiny loss. I couldn't manage to get myself not to take this trade because it is so obvious we are pushing up towards all-time highs. We are in all-time highs and we gonna have to be bullish. So I was such a fucking idiot. So this sell entry seems super obvious as you can see. Bruh, like, we got an SMT on the top. We got a 1 minute market structure shift. We got a 5 minute inversion, a 1 minute inversion. We got a 1 minute fair value gap. We got multiple break structures and a tiny time frame, smaller time frame. I didn't do nothing. I once I saw the SMT and a market structure on this market structure shift with a tiny inversion right there on 2 minutes. Probably it should be there. Yeah, right there. So after seeing all these things, like I was okay, let me be patient and have a limit on it at 50%. And once I saw this inversion before my limit got executed, I closed my limit and I was like constantly looking at the price. What's the price that's actually doing at this in this zone? And yeah, eventually I got into a position right at exactly at the break of 25 0 0.2, 25% off this range. So basically 50% off this range. So I was so confident enough that it should rip down at least to 75% off this whole range. So that was the expectation, but yeah, here we go. Like I got into an entry and it played out really good. One thing, that is my one and only rule. I didn't follow that. Like even I'll forgive myself for not I shouldn't be trading today. And still I did take an entry with two micros and I'll forgive all of those things, right? I'll forgive everything, right? So basically, what I should be doing, right? Like I should take partials at 1:1. I should have taken partials off the zone and I didn't. And like just do contracts, let it run. And what it did, slot on my phrase, and then like I got stopped out, fucked up, and I didn't trade after that. And I didn't want to trade. Specifically, I didn't want to trade. And this is what I was looking at. I was bearish for the day, and yeah, I shouldn't be bearish by the way, is because we are in all-time highs. And yeah, everything seemed so obvious for shorting, and yeah, I mean like should have at least pull back to the 75% range, but it really didn't. We got equal lows right here. Everything is there. We still went up, and yeah, I mean basically got stopped out. Not worried about it or something. But yeah, just a lesson. Like I should have taken partials. If I would have taken partials, I would have avoided this loss. This could have been a break-even trade. But yeah, since I was a fucking idiot, so I couldn't actually. So yeah. Anyways, I'm happy that this trade played out at least till 1:1. Yeah, I could have just. I mean, yeah, I'm just happy that this played out. And yeah, nothing much, not the big loss or so. So that's about the trade recap. And as always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible. Believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself and just keep going, and keep moving forward. And you would eventually reach your destination, reach your goals, complete all your goals, and you live your happy life and die someday old. Anyways, that's about it. And I'm out. Adios.